All right, so these form gas, still in double replacement. So perchloric acid is HClO4, and that's aqueous, again, because it's acid and because double replacement reactions always have two aqueous solutions. Potassium carbonate, so that's a +1 carbonate, is CO3, -2, so CO3. So we're going to need a 2 right there, and that's aqueous, and that forms CO2, and that's a gas, and water, which is H2O, and that's a liquid. And then we have to look over everything and say, okay, well, it didn't deal with potassium or ClO4, so we need another product, which is potassium and ClO4. So what's ClO4? We look over here. ClO4 perchlorate, and that's a -1. ClO4, and that's aqueous. All right, so now we balance HClO4, K, and C, and an O. So HClO4, K, C, and O. On this side, we've got 1. On this side, we've got 1, and a K is 2, and a C is 1, and an oxygen is 3. H on this side is 2. ClO4 is 1, K is 1, C is 1, and O is 2. All right, I think I'm going to tackle the K first. So a 2 here, and that makes this a 2, and that makes that a 2. So then I come over here, put a 2 here, that changes that to 2, that changes that to 2, and I think I'm done. No, I'm not. Just kidding. All right. Oh wait, no, this should be a 3, so I am done. Nice. 2 and 1 more. So that's 3. Great. Here comes our complete. So 2H plus 1 aqueous plus ClO4 aqueous, and that's a -2 charge, plus 2K plus 1 aqueous plus CO3 -2 aqueous goes to CO2 gas plus H2O liquid plus 2K plus 1 aqueous plus 2ClO4 -2 aqueous. All right, we only care about carbon dioxide, which is a gas, and water, which is a liquid, and so we just save those things so we can get rid of that, we can get rid of that. And that, okay. So 2H plus 1 aqueous plus CO2 -2, that's a 3, aqueous, goes to CO2 gas plus H2O liquid.
Oops.
What happened?
There we go.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Okay, that's it for that one. Sulfuric acid reacts with aqueous sodium cyanide, forming hydrogen cyanide gas and aqueous sodium sulfate. So we go H2SO4 aqueous plus sodium cyanide, so that's Na, and cyanide is Cn with what kind of charge? -1. Cn aqueous, forming hydrogen HCN, and that's a gas, and aqueous sodium sulfate, NaSO4, that's a -2, so we need a 2 there, and that's aqueous, so now we balance. So HSO4, NaCN, HSO4, NaCN, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. All right, so I'm going to start with the Na, put a 2 there, which makes that a 2. Now I got to deal with the cyanide 2, which is 2 and 2. Did I do it? Yep. So complete 2H plus 1 aqueous plus SO4 -2 aqueous plus 2 Na plus 1 aqueous plus 2 CN aqueous. -1 goes to 2HCN gas plus 2 Na plus 1 aqueous plus SO4 aqueous. Okay, I just care about this, so spectator, 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 2H plus 1 aqueous plus 2CN aqueous, -1 goes to 2HCN gas, and reduce H plus 1 aqueous plus CN aqueous, -1 goes to HCN gas.